Yeah, here is a participants. I think a little bit lower in number
Okay.
because only one college left for this
Okay.
our scheduled webinar.
Okay.
Oh no, is
So
that
how
is
many?
there two colleges,
How
but
many?
one is not coming because BAUT Banda because
Okay.
they have some former fair kind of thing, regional fair. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So
Let
when
let's start in a, no, I mean, yeah,
so
go
let's
ahead.
wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let us start.
Okay.
Welcome to all the participants and students, faculty members from Rajkin Engineering College, Banda. And unfortunately, BAUT Banda is not joining because they have some former fair. So we are planning like in Monday 2 sessions. Those are left for joining this orientation program. So let's start. So my name is Dinesh. I am working in as a project associate in IIT Kanpur for this REC Innovation Platform Program. And my colleague, Dr. Anil Bankoti, he is working on Career Launcher, and Dr. Prashanjit, he is also heading this program for technical in from the Career Launcher side, and so the Career Launcher and IIT Kanpur both are joints program with this REC innovation program. So so the Career Launcher, the team, they are the technically support. They are technically provided support on the preparation for technical side for the portal designing and so not taking much time. I'm just handing over to my mic to Dr. Anil. So please, Dr. Anil, if you start, yeah.
Thank you, Dinesh, and good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Anil Kumar Singh Bankoti. I welcome you all in this orientation program. This program is actually funded by REC and organized by IIT Kanpur. Uh, the main aim of this program is to find innovative ideas from the student, flourish them, and convert them into a market ready product. So you can think that we are actually talking about the startups. We are here to help startups. So how this will be happen? A simple roadmap is given in this picture. So in this picture, if you see, the first step is we will collect the ideas or problem statement from the students, and we will help them to find high quality real time solutions for those problems. Then they will develop the product, or they will scale up the product. And if the product development is good, and the idea is unique, we will go for IP generation as well. So this is a very basic idea of this program. So the objectives of REC innovation platform, this is a platform actually, and the objective is, as I already said, that this through this innovation platform, we are trying to help some very top notch startups. So here three stakeholders are there. That is, number one, REC, who is funding this program; IIT Kanpur, who is organizing this program; and our 20 partner institutions who are actually participating in this program. So from those 20 partner institutions, we are going to select around 1200 young college innovators, and that will be done by a online research aptitude test. So after selecting 1200 young college innovators, or we can say young college going students, we will divide into separate groups, small groups, and those groups will get regular mentoring and guidance from our expert team. So they will work on their ideas, they will convert their ideas into prototypes, and based on the quality of their work, we will select around 25 to 30 innovative ideas, and those 30 innovative ideas will finally converted into 10 prototypes, and out of those 10 prototypes, 5 top notch startups will get fund from so will get initial fund up to 2 lakh rupees from IITK. So this is the process, which is divided into 6 stages. So the very first stage is the selection of the student through a research aptitude test. Now, research aptitude test is an online test. Here, very simple aptitude questions will be there. Some reasoning questions will be there, some basic science questions will be there, some very simple mathematics questions will be there, and all those questions will be multiple choice questions. Around 20 multiple choice questions will be there, and 2 descriptive questions will be there. So the duration of this test will be around 1 hour. So after this stage, once the student clears his red test, we will divide them into different groups based on based on ideas and interest. So then those students will decide their problem or their idea. They will work on it. They will do literature search, they will do research, they will document their research, and they will form a small write up or report. So once this second this all things will be done in second stage. So out of those ideas, top 25 teams or 25 to 30 ideas will be selected, and they have to visit IIT Kanpur for presenting their ideas there. So once out of 25 to 30 ideas, 10 prototype development will be 10 ideas will be selected, and they will go for prototype development stage. So they will develop their prototype, they will work on it, and they will further showcase those 10 projects in IIT Kanpur in a 1 week workshop. So out of those 10 selected ideas or selected projects or selected prototypes, 5 top 5 prototypes will be co-incubated in SIIC at IIT Kanpur. So this is a simple program activity and process of this project. So now, what are the impacts and takeaways of this program? So what student will actually get from this? Actually, they are enhancing their thinking ability. Their research or innovation are getting propagated in Indian institutions. So that means they are getting recognition, and their lookout towards finding solutions of the real life problem is getting improved. So at large, we can say that they are contributing towards social wellness through their research and innovation. So these are the takeaways of for students from this program. So what are the takeaways for institutions? Institutions actually implementing this program, institutions are enhancing their academic industry collaborations. Apart from that, they are developing research culture, and this platform is also bringing the research work of those institutions into national spotlight. So these are the main takeaways for institutions. So what are the other benefits? There are some other benefits. So these benefits are: students are getting acquainted with IIT culture. They can they can find fund for their prototype design. If they need to travel to showcase their project in IIT Kanpur, their fooding, their travel, their lodging, their boarding will be taken care by IIT Kanpur. The expenses will be taken care by IIT Kanpur as per their norms. And last but not the least, the selected startups will get fund up to 2 lakh rupees. So as I said that this program is actually giving benefits to everyone, whether it is students, it is faculty mentors, it is academic students, or at large scale, we can say that society as well. So students are enhancing their critical and creative thinkings, their analytical and reasoning skills. They are more oriented towards research. So implementing research at undergraduate level is also enhancing their career opportunities. So they are getting career growths as well. Or in case of faculty mentors are actually becoming facilitator to innovations in this program. So they are also getting professional growth. And in case of institutions, they are creating innovative cultures in their institutions, better student outcomes, pride and recognition, and success stories. So actually, this process is divided into three broad areas. The first one is problem identification. So group need to identify research problems by discussing, by observing, and once they need to work on it. Once they decide their research problem, they need to check the technical feasibilities, and technical feasibilities can be checked based on scientific facts, based on engineering challenges, based on design limitations, etc. Once their technical feasibility is established, they need to check the market potential as well, whether this is required for market as well or not, whether the customer will be there or not. So all these steps together will smoothly run this process. So here, if you will see around you, you will find there are many more problems. There are some problems shown in this picture, which will be better explained by Dinesh. So now I am handing over to Dinesh. Hello.
You, Anil ji.
Hello. Dinesh, are you
Yeah,
there?
yeah. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. So can
Okay,
you
okay.
proceed from here on?
Yeah, yeah. So thank
Yes.
you, Anilji, for explaining all these slides before. So uh, here you are looking at your screen. There are four pictures. So the one picture is showing a problem on our government primary schools, where you are looking every day in your village or uh, nearby in your institutions, because the children they occasionally found their benches in our government schools at primary and junior high school. But yeah, primary is more less visibility of change benches. But yeah, so here is the problem. One student from IIT Kanpur, he realized this is a problem, and he find this innovative solution called desk jet. Like जो हम एक अपना पिट्ठू बैग टांगते हैं, उसी में ही एक फोल्डेबल बेंच भी है. We will show in a yeah, here is this. So this one is you can just pull over your back, and when जब बच्चा बैठता है पढ़ने के लिए, तो उसके पीछे में ये इस तरह से ये एक बेंच खुल के उसको लिखने में मदद करती है, जैसे कि आप पिक्चर में एक लड़की को, इस बच्ची को देख रहे हैं. So the problem, and he find this problem and try this idea to make a prototype. This one in picture is a after a long discussion, prototype, and many changes, feedbacks, then it's come in this shape. So this is not just an idea came and just he make this kind of thing. So this is a process actually. So what I'm trying to say कि ये जो innovation का एक process है, ये एकदम से all of sudden किसी के दिमाग में नहीं आता है. आपको कभी realize होगा, कभी जब आप उस perspective से देखना शुरू करेंगे. तो अभी हमारा इस orientation का एक मकसद यही है कि हमारे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, faculty members, even research coordinator, faculty coordinators हैं, they can like they develop the perspective of their innovation and research. So so the idea they solve the problem, and now the government is called to this desk jet. Like you made this great product, we are trying to help my students, so they can sell and buy. And yeah, so next one is Anil. So next picture, Anil. Yeah, next slide. Yeah, so here you are looking like please go back one slide back. Yeah, so आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि ये फूलों से नदी में पूरे फूल बिखरे हुए पड़े हैं. तो ऐसा ही नज़ारा आप देखते होंगे जब हमारे मंदिरों में अभी हमारे आने वाले समय में महाशिवरात्रि आ रही है, तो काफी सारे लोग हम लोग जाके फूल चढ़ाते हैं, और फिर वो फूल वेस्टेज के तौर पे बाहर निकलते हैं मंदिर पे चढ़ने के बाद, भगवान की मूर्ति पे चढ़ने के बाद. तो हमारे IIT कानपुर के अंकित अग्रवाल जी ने इस प्रॉब्लम को अपॉर्चुनिटी में बदला. उन्होंने इस वेस्टेज फूल्स को कलेक्ट करके उन्होंने इसको प्रोसेसिंग करके धूप बत्ती अगरबत्ती का निर्माण किया पहले तो, और फिर उस धूप बत्ती अगरबत्ती के निर्माण के बाद उन्होंने थर्माकोल का एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया. ये फूलों से ही बना हुआ ये प्रोडक्ट है, और इवन वो फूलों से लेदर का भी बनाने का भी वो प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. तो इस स्टार्टअप को, इस वेंचर को, इस सोशल वेंचर को यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने भी अवार्ड किया हुआ है। तो इस तरह के इसका इम्पैक्ट काफी ज्यादा है, क्योंकि ये पर्यावरण को बचा रहे हैं और ये एक रिसाइकिल कर रहे हैं, जो वेस्टेज, जो हमारे फूल्स को वेस्टेज फ्लावर्स हैं, उनको एक इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स के रूप में बदल रहे हैं। तो ये एक बहुत ही, ये सिर्फ दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स सो दैट यू कैन ट्राई टू लुक अराउंड योरसेल्फ टू गेट your tipping point, or your own idea of entrepreneurship or innovation. So Anil, please next slide. Yeah, so there is a one Aquafront Infra. This company incubated in IIT Kanpur, formed by Ankit Patel and Achin Agarwal, graduated from IIT BHU, and they find a problem here during the disaster management, like flooding and all these things. तो फ्लड के समय में लोगों का आना जाना काफी प्रभावित होता है। तो इस समस्या को दूर करने के लिए उन्होंने एक इस तरह का एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तैयार किया है, जिसपे कि वो एक साइड से लेके दूसरे साइड तक बिछाते हुए चले जाते हैं, और लोग उसको एक टेम्परेरी ब्रिज के रूप में उसको उस पे आके आ जाके अपनी गांव से संपर्क बना सकते हैं। तो ये काफी अप्रिशिएट किया गया, और पंजाब में इवन उन्होंने कुछ इस पे गुरुद्वारे की तरह की शक्ल देके, और उन्होंने इस पे लाइट शो किए, और इस तरह का ये एक इनोवेटिव आइडिया निकल के आया। So next slide, Anil. Yeah, so this picture has shown like one student from Nalanda University conceived this idea called Sabji Kothi, Sapt Krishi, and he is incubated in IIT Kanpur. And he find this problem of those vegetable जो रिटेलर हैं, जो छोटे विक्रेता हैं सब्जियों के, तो उनके पास क्या है कि वो उनकी सब्जियां जब वो खरीद के लाते हैं, तो कुछ दिनों के बाद स्टोरेज, मतलब एक दो दिन के बाद ही सड़ने लगती हैं। तो उसको बचाने के लिए, उसके थोड़ा कॉस्ट को, उनके डैमेज को रोकने के लिए, उनकी कॉस्ट को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ये जो एक सूटकेस टाइप का, या जो आप ये एक कवर में देख रहे हैं, इस कवर को, ये दिस इज अ प्रोटोटाइप currently and he is working on it. अभी हम लोगों ने कल ही इनके इसको देखा था, जिसमें ये टमाटर को इन्होंने टेस्ट करके दिखाया है कि करीब 5 दिन में टमाटो में बिल्कुल भी कोई भी किसी तरह का डैमेज नहीं हुआ। तो वो एक इसमें डिवाइस है जिसमें कि वो ओजोन निकलती है, ओजोन, और ओजोन उस चीज में हेल्प करती है कि वो सब्जियां और फल जो हैं वो कम सड़े, और उनके कलर में कोई ज्यादा चेंज ना आए। So this is called Saptakrishi, Sabji Kothi. So next, I think Anil will continue from this side. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Dinesh.
Yeah.
These are very innovative ideas which are actually turned up into a startup. So actually we are talking about the model. So this is a collaborative model raising young innovators. Here, a college student is a young innovator, and this college student will get help from faculty mentor, faculty coordinator, and research coordinator to achieve their goals. Uh, so these uh, like faculty mentors, faculty coordinators, and research coordinator are having their different tasks. Faculty mentor is actually acting as a guide along with faculty coordinator. He will help the student to crystallize their research topic, and he will regularly guide the student. He will track the progress of the student, and he will help the student when actually he needs. When he is in problem, he will when he is facing any problem, the faculty mentor, research coordinator, and faculty coordinator will help them. So faculty coordinator is actually monitors, inspires, and ensures the smooth execution of the product. And research coordinator is a key person here. He is actually working as a bridge between a student and faculty mentor. He will provide technical inputs. He will train the student how to read and write the research papers. So this type of work will be done by research coordinator. So what we can expect from this collaboration, we can expect from intellectual properties, we can expect from patents, we can expect from you can say startups, and we can expect from prototype. This is the model. This is the roadmap of conceptual research. Some topics I already covered in previous slides. It is divided into three phases. As I already said that the first phase is to identify the prospective students via a research aptitude test. So we are very soon we are going to conduct a research aptitude test for our partner institutions. We will select the students. Around 1200 students will be selected, as I said earlier. So 1200 student, after selection of 1200 students, they will be divided into different groups. These groups will decide their research topic. So once they will decide their research topics, they can contact with research coordinator as well as research mentor. So they will check the technical feasibility of their topic. So once the technical feasibility is decided, they will start working on those ideas and research problem. They will do literature search, they will conduct the experiment if it is needed. uh, in the meantime, they will give the interim PowerPoint presentation as well. So once their PowerPoint presentation will be completed, they will go for writing a concept paper or abstract. Once this done, they will submit in their concept paper to the REC Innovation Platform. REC Innovation Platform. In REC Innovation Platform, we are going to evaluate their concept paper, and top papers will be selected for prototype and startups. So in the final stage, they will actually work on their prototype, and finally they are going to showcase their prototype in IIT Kanpur, and then out of those 10 prototypes, we will select the top 5 prototypes for startups, and they will get some fund around 2 lakh rupees. So this is the roadmap for conceptual research. So now the contribution of research coordinator and faculty mentor in different phases, they are having different contributions. So in first phase, main work is research coordinator. They will deliver introductory lecture, they will arrange workshops for research methodology, they will interact with the students one to one, they will form group, and they will help them to crystallize their research topic. So this is the work of phase one. Now the phase two. In phase two, research coordinator and faculty mentor will work together with the students. So they will guide the students. They will give students the idea how to read recent review papers to for their initial investigation. And continuous feedback will be provided on their work. They will help students to prepare their project plan. They will deliver exploratory lecture. Students will be trained for what referencing and other thing, and they will organize interim PowerPoint presentations sessions for the students, and mentor and faculty mentor and research coordinator will help the students to write concept note, and they will review them as well. So in the final stage or stage 3, uh, they will this in this stage they will mainly focus on the prototype development. So prototype, once their prototype will be developed, the prototype will be evaluated, as I already said, and at the end 5 best prototypes will be selected for startups. So this is the timeline of different phases, and I think the timeline will be best described by Dinesh. So I'm handing over to Dinesh. Hello, Dinesh,
Okay,
are you there?
okay, Anil. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Anil. So the stages are like early, like six stages here, as shown in slide. So the stage we are doing here, that is stage 0. So we are just orientation, providing this webinar for orientation of our faculty and students, and then we will make a physical visits to orient more about that, and try to 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 start your thought thinking process on this innovation and research program, like how to build your idea to become a prototype and your market level. So these are came into a stages, like a stage 1 and stage 2 and stage. So uh, all the process until the come into the the final stage is a 5 startup. These are divided on like these 4, 5, 6 stages. So the rat is a one of the research aptitude test is one of the screening thing which can be done by online processing, online testing. So all the students will uh, appear for this test, and after the rat evaluation we will screen out our numbers. Those are having some uh, capability of or showing their interest in a startup or entrepreneurship kind of thing. So later on we do for the stage 2 and stage 4 and stage 3, like stage 3, like the 30 projects we are we are expecting that 30 projects we have, and after the 30 projects we have like 10 10 final prototypes until the sixth stage. So these are elaborate more on more when we are going ahead with this program. So the next slide, please. So okay, now thank you to all, and here is our colleague email ID shown here, like rahulpt@iitk.ac.in. You can note it down, or you can mail it if you have in further after this webinar in any question or any kind of your your idea or anything. So please, those are listening this webinar, you can feel free to ask your questions here. We are ready to answer it. So, and you can raise your hands, or you can just type chat box or your Q&A box. I will unmute. I will allow you to speak. Then you can unmute yourself and speak your uh, and ask your question from your voice. हिंदी में भी आप पूछ सकते हैं जी. From Shreya Srivastava का है कि sir when will the test take place? Shreya, so जब ये टेस्ट हम अभी अभी हम लोगों ने ये किया है कि अभी आपका एक प्री ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम रखा है. इसके बाद अभी हमारी फिजिकल विजिट्स होंगे. देन वी आर properly orient about pre-RAT your curriculum, your subjects, or kind of thing. Then we will arrange RAT, and this will be informed by your faculty coordinator or research coordinator, and you will take this time. We will allow you to have some time, and you can take this test online through our portal. So which portal is designing by the career launcher. So Anil, could you please add on this?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me make
Okay,
Shreya.
let me answer this. Hello,
Yeah.
let me answer this.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
Shreya, We will physically come to your college, and according to the situation of the your examination or any other engagement, we will talk to your the faculty mentor who is associated with us as a college coordinator from your university or college side. We will arrange an online test. It's a simple online test. You just need the browser, internet browser, and internet connectivity to do this test. This is 1 hour test, so need not to worry. You will be informed in timely to do that. So, any other question?
One more question is there. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
One more question is there. I think they are asking about the group formation, how the group will be formed. Sir, these group will be according to us or on the basis of selection of the student. So I think the
You
group
can make
formation will be.
आप अपने हिसाब से ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. आप एक ग्रुप के हिसाब से अपना एक ग्रुप फॉर्म कर लीजिए. उस ग्रुप के हिसाब से आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम और उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक आपका प्रोस्पेक्ट सॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू सबमिट दैट टू अस. You can do that, or if you're not able to do that, we will form you in a group, because this program actually oriented to make you comfort to work in a group. You need to learn how to teamwork. This is also one of the aim of this program.
Yourself, you can ask your question by speaking if you want. One raise is there, one hand.
और अगर आइडियाज सेम है तो शायद मेरे ख्याल से ग्रुप उसके बेसिस पर भी बनाया जा सकता है. अगर 4-5 आइडियाज सेम हो जाते हैं तो दे कैन वर्क ऑन अ ग्रुप एज वेल.
अभिजीत, आप
हेलो,
सवाल पूछिए जी.
यस सर. एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन मेरा ये स्टूडेंट साइड से है. आई एम फैकल्टी हियर. सो
ओके सर.
जो आपका गाइडलाइंस उसमें ये है कि आप पहले एक टेस्ट कराएंगे, राइट है ना? तो मेरा ये कहना है कि सपोज मान लीजिए कोई ग्रुप है जिसके 4 पार्टिसिपेंट जो एक आइडिया वर्क कर रहे हैं, एंड सपोज वन ऑफ देम डू नॉट क्वालिफाई फॉर दैट टेस्ट, देन हाउ विल वी दे प्रोसीड एज अ ग्रुप इन फर्दर प्रोसेस?
Sir, first of all, the test is yeah. Hello.
Yeah, you
Yes,
can.
yes.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go.
Yeah. So first of all, the test is very simple. So it is actually just simple aptitude and reasoning test. If this type of any situation will happen, our panelists will decide and make an exceptional case for that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for asking a very nice question.
Any other questions? Please ask if you have.
More question is there. I think, sir, finding real problems then solve it is this innovation or to innovate something new?
In
chat box.
Please.
Finding real problem, then solve it in this innovation or to innovate something new. Both thing you can do in this. You can find and solve it. That is also innovation. And if you are doing something new, that is also innovation. What do you say, Dr. Mohit?
Yeah, sure. You can do the modification part too. We will also consider that. But your innovation, your idea must be related to our defined domain, which is healthcare, renewable energy, and agricultural technology. Not in only core engineering part or research part, but also in the application part. If you have connect to those ideas, we will be happy to consider it. And it must be some product oriented, as the aim of this entire program is to form at least minimum 5 new startup. So we are actually here to encourage your guys to be a job provider than a job seeker.
Yes, sir. You can ask your question if you have. You raise a hand again. Please unmute yourself and ask. Abhijit Singh sir.
हाँ सर बताइए.
आपका हैंड रेज हुआ था फिर से तो.
नहीं सर, मेरा वो गलती से हो गया था. सॉरी.
Okay, no problem.
शिवम चौरसिया को भी अनम्यूट कर दीजिए, वो भी कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहे हैं शायद।
जी जी, 1 second. Yeah.
He wrote something here, sir, which type of idea will be got selected, service based or product based?
What are product based or?
Service based or product based? Abhijit, you can ask your question.
Shivam,
Sorry, Shivam.
Shivam.
Shivam, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I want to ask, sir, in which state should the idea
I'm actually not. I'm not
idea-
able to. Please repeat again. Actually, I'm not able to listen you. So, please repeat your question.
one minute. सर किस स्टेज में स्टार्टअप होना चाहिए, मींस आइडिएशन स्टेट और आगे
आपकी आवाज बीच में ब्रेक हो
आवाज
रही
नहीं
है।
आ रही है। अनिल, आपको आ रही
हाँ,
है
तो
क्या?
आपका
Can you-
आइडिएशन स्टेज से लेके शिवम, आइडिएशन स्टेज से लेके हम प्रोटोटाइप तक ये पूरा इस पूरे उसमें हम वर्क करेंगे। REC इनोवेशन प्लेटफॉर्म वर्क करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ में। फ्रॉम ideation we are trying to build your ideation stage, and then it's try to bring at the prototype level. So the ideation is many ideas. Anyone can ideate any idea and imagine what the problem will solve, or but every idea cannot be made at a prototype, you know. So we will work with the faculty and with you guys, and to make it at the prototype level. Then if you cross the if you it's a idea is very innovative and your prototype is very, like, proof of concept is very good, and you develop a prototype, then it's realized that you have a market, at least you can sustain your business in further, then we will support financially too. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I got,
Shivam?
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So please try
Yes, sir, I got it.
idea, write it down. So my suggestion will be, if you have any kind of idea, you just look around your market when you go out in market, or whatever you study in your engineering college. So and ideate, मतलब idea आप बनाइए, and you can just write it down, because when you write it down your idea, you can screen it better, like इसको आप frame अच्छे से कर पाएंगे, then you can write it something good paper or good concept note, like before your problem, after you identify your problem, then you can write a concept note. Like concept note has a आपका की प्रॉब्लम आपने ये सॉल्व किया, आपने ये प्रॉब्लम देखी है, आपने रियलाइज की है, देन यू वांट टू सॉल्व इट। तो कैसे आप सॉल्व करेंगे, आप उसके लिए क्या सोच रहे हैं, आप कुछ एल्गोरिथम बनाना चाहते हैं, आप कुछ उसके लिए कोई डिवाइस तैयार करना चाहते हैं, या कोई आप सर्विस बिजनेस मॉडल आपका यूनिक है, then you can write, then it's convert in a concept note, and we ask in letter the concept note form, then we evaluate all the concept notes, then it's go on the evaluate on the prototype level. Am I correct, Mohit ji?
Yeah, sure. You just write the problems around
Problem statement,
yourself,
yeah.
problem statement, and a proposed solution from your side. That's
Yeah.
it.
Any more questions?
Thank you, sir. I got.
Any Q&A? Anyone ask question, or we can just sum up here? So I think there is no question anymore, and So thank you to all participants, students, and faculty members from REC Banda, and our career launcher team, Dr. Mohit, Dr. Prasenjit, and Dr. Anil. You define very good, describe very well, and thank you to all of you. And hope we'll so soon see you again. Okay, so
If you have any doubt, you can write on this mail ID as well, I think.
yeah, this mail ID is on here.
Thank you, Dinesh, and thank you all of the participants who is taking
Thank you,
part
everyone.
in
Yeah.
this session.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Have a good day, all
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Yeah. Bye.